Hi guys, welcome to another video. Things are looking very good right now in the market. We've seen a very good bounce on the 4 hourly. We have broken that downtrend line we were getting rejected from for the past few weeks and days. Now we are beginning to go upwards, which is looking very good. Ciphers are calling us in the ranges of $40,000. That looks amazing. We should get into the details today because there's a lot to share with you guys. Let's start with our 4 hour chart for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking very good right now. We have wicked all the way up to $30,900. We would certainly want to remain in these levels because things look very exciting for us right now in the market. But there is slight twist too. The twist right now is we are also having massive bearish divergence coming into play right now from our previous highs. So we have to watch out for that. There could be a quick downside in the market coming very soon. But it's good to at least see having quick upside right now in the market and at least break our downtrend line, especially on the hourlies. Looks very good. I would be interested into trades if we do break into the range, which is about $32,000. If we get there, things will look very bullish. We need to make a very good lower high on the daily and the weekly, and above everything we need to get out of the weekly red candles, because for the past several weeks now we've been just dumping and creating red candles. Now we get into DXY continues to be a waterfall, is coming back into the zones that we would want them to come, and our blue color trend line is very close now. So that's about at 100.3. we are trading right now at 101.4, so we would ideally see another dump on the DXY coming very soon. Now we get into USDT. USDT's dominance has had a massive upside, and that is bringing the USDT's dominance down. People are now switching into Bitcoin from the dollar because they are seeing that the market is having a quick upside. The FOMO is here. People don't want to miss any action. They don't want to miss any opportunities. So they are changing USDT into Bitcoin and other altcoins. Now we get into Bitcoin's dominance. We are at a very key range. We did break above, reached my target, which was at 46.45%. Next target drawn through the arrow shows us to going upwards 47.94%. I do want to reach that target. That would be very good to see that Bitcoin's accumulation is increasing and is coming back into the levels which we haven't seen over the last year. Will be interesting. Hopefully we do reach in that target. Next up, very interesting to see here, ETH's dominance is beginning to rise again, which is a very good sign. We have previously had bounces from these levels, taking a quick bounce right now in the market. So we would want to watch out. Our resistance is coming right now at 18.47%, and that will also bring the price into the regions of $2,000 to $2,100 for ETH. So whether we're going to reach there or not, we just have to wait, and time will tell us what exactly is coming. Now if we get into Gate.io's big data, today we are at extreme fear levels of 10. Yesterday we were on 14. So things are looking very fearful right now in the market. Long and short ratio, global data 51.56% are in long positions in 24 hours, 50.02% are in long positions in 1 hour, and 49.98% people are in short positions. Quite even Stevens here right now. Long and short ratio block trades look extremely bearish. So 55.28% people are in short positions in 24 hours, and 92.61% people are in short positions in 1 hour. That is a huge number. I guess everybody can see that 4 hourly, 1 hourly bearish divergence forming. So people are getting into short positions very quickly. If we get into the market sentiment right now, BTC is neutral, ETH is neutral, and funding rate for BTC is at the ideal place, which is 0.0100%, slightly higher on ETH, but surely when we see that quick downside coming in the market, it will be neutralized and it will come back to the ranges of 0.0100%. Now to my favorite part, which is Gate.io startup blockchain project discount. We have 3 projects coming up. AQDC will be starting in 1 day, while Joystick is going to be starting in 7 days. For now, we have started MILK, so that's going to be very interesting. MLK is in proceedings right now, so if you want to ape into that coin, you surely can. What exactly MLK is? A reward points integration platform that connects various services in the lifestyle, travel and leisure sector. Your own app, you can be rewarded. There'll be reward points that you could convert them into MLK token. So things will be very interesting. They have a massive plan going on. You can get them on App Store and Google Play Store. It's already available. They have earned over 1 million users, and it's a global expansion starting in 2022. Looks very interesting project. There's a lot gonna be happening here. So if you want to get into this startup, earn some quick cash, and probably keep some longer back after you've taken profits or took out your investment, that's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, so you have to decide yourself. Now we get into the newly listed. We're going to be seeing AQDC coming in 3 days, Joystick in 8 days, while Luna has already started on Gate.io, which is very interesting. A lot of exchanges have delayed Luna, but we can see Luna available, trading, charts open, everything is sorted out on Gate.io. That's the reason I really like Gate.io. The service is excellent. So you have to get into Gate.io, that is for sure. Now if we get into our other chart, which is very interesting on the weekly, if you look here and zoom in a bit, looks like another hammer. We can't really count it as a hanging man because hanging man happens on an uptrend. We are in a downtrend, so we have to consider this as a hammer. Now we zoom out and see what I had drawn these big white lines for. So on the weekly, we are making a massive hidden bullish divergence right now, which is very interesting. We are making it from the previous zones at 9th March 20. So those were the days we had massive COVID FUD around the world, and now we're beginning to see a similar bounce coming right now in the market. The divergence is very obvious. So hopefully the bulls are going to capture the market very soon. Now we get into BTC bullish and bearish chart. We are breaking from the triangle on the daily time frames. Good to see. Closing has to be very important. About 14 hours to go on the closing, so just have to be patient and wait for that one to happen. Overall, we are looking very good. If we look into our Bollinger Bands SMA, it's calling us into the regions of 34,944, and our top, obviously upper band, is at 47,163. Looks like a massive opportunity here. Amazing signs coming. So for us now, the resistance lies at 33.561. So we have to be very cautious about that one. We don't want to face any rejection there and then creating a lower high and then dumping. Obviously we want bulls to get in control. ETH's bullish and bearish chart, we can see that the market did exactly what we wanted to do. Came into the worst case scenario, missed it about from $37, but we did achieve our target almost, so we will count it as reaching our target. Now we see we are having a quick upside. We need to make that lower high on the daily and on the weekly, so we are going for that zone. Ideally now our bearish scenario 1, which is at 2154, is gonna act as resistance. So we would ideally want to break this resistance, hopefully come back in the key range where our SMA is just close to our key range, which is at $2,512. So we would ideally want to get back into that range. That would be very interesting, and that would also be a place where we could get in some long positions, especially big long positions. We could also see a massive reversal because on the weeklies we are regularly printing hammer candles, which are reversal candles. Now to the main part, which is our news. Fed's going to be speaking this week on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. So there could be a lot of FUD coming later in the day and obviously throughout the week. Next up, we have US economic data this week. We've always seen some movement in the market when we get into jobless claims, which are on Thursday, and unemployment rate, which is on Friday. So these 2 days are going to be very interesting, and Fridays are also our weekly option expiry. It's going to be interesting to see how the market actually reacts to these statistics when they come out. Last news we have for us today is Russia has added a proposal to allow Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payments in foreign trade to its draft law. So that is an interesting sign. Another country now trying to ape into Bitcoin and creating a massive future for its people. Hopefully you like today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Back in here again tomorrow, guys. So see you.